Justin here with Budget Build Overlander. Today we have the Vector Off-Road E-Dock along with the 67 Designs phone mount that we're going to install. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. Okay, so this is what we got. We got the E-Dock itself. We have 4 brackets. Looks like some plugs for the ends and a pack of screws. And I have my packing slip, but no instructions. So I'm going to take just a minute and go to Vector's website and see if there's any instructions. Okay, so I just watched the install video from JKE Gear and Gadgets, and they had a little bit newer JKE than mine. So I got the 2007 version, which is a little bit different, but the install should be the same. So the first thing that we're going to do is pop off these little tabs right here. There's one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove this piece right here. Okay, that was pretty easy. The one thing that you want to be careful of is right underneath this is the compass heading sensor. I'm not going to disconnect that. I'm just going to move it from side to side so that I can attach these brackets. I just don't want to mess anything up, so I'm not going to remove it. Now it's time to bolt in the brackets. Okay, so it turns out that there's supposed to be 2 screws right here. This one and then one right there. And they sent us screws in case you don't have 2 screws, but out of all the tools that I have, I did not have a 7mm socket, because to get that other screw in, you have to pull the dash apart and the radio. So I've done that. Now I'm going to install the bracket and we'll go from there. Okay, so it's been 24 hours later and I do have the Vector JKE-Dock installed. It really wasn't hard. I just didn't have the correct tools that I needed, and I ended up not following the instructions that were online and losing one of the nuts down inside the dash. So I had to go get another one, but it is installed and looks great. So here's what it looks like, all installed. I believe that these brackets that you had to pull the dash apart for were easier than these brackets, which were very accessible but way down in there. Alright, so let's open up the second piece to this and get that installed. Okay, so this is the 67 Designs phone mount. So it looks like we have the piece that goes over top of the 1-inch bar. They give me a hex wrench with that. The mount itself. And the bar. Got it in the matte black. Okay, so let's get this installed. Okay, I got the first piece installed. Now I'm going to put the bar on top of it. Okay, now the matte black bar is installed. Now we'll just put the phone holder on the end. Okay, and now the 67 Designs phone holder is on the JKE-Dock from Vector Off-Road, and I couldn't be more pleased right now. This thing's awesome. One last thing left to do. Okay, I'm always a fan of swag. I wish Vector would have sent some stickers with theirs, but 67 Designs did. Even though it's kind of a leftover from Overland Expo West, I'm still going to use it. Alright, sweet. Thanks 67 Designs. Alright, I'm going to go on a little trip now. See if we can get some use out of this stuff.